Hi, I'm Ashley, and this is everything I painted this week as a full-time artist. This week, I finished the 2 abstract bear paintings that I was working on in my last video. Here's the first one, which I currently have displayed in my front window. I love how all the drips, texture, and layers of paint somehow come together to create the image of a black bear. And here's the second one, all finished as well. It's very similar to the first, but at the same time, completely different. I like to think the 2 bears could be related. I also completed this pet portrait commission featuring 2 cats named Charlie Ann and Isabella. I managed to capture a little footage while adding some of the final details, including the whiskers and highlights that really bring them to life. Another project I made progress on this week was a commission of a herd of bison moving through a snowy landscape. In this clip, I'm using tape to help create additional trees in the foreground and add more depth to the scene. There's still some glazing and detail work left to do, but I think it's coming along nicely. I also took a photo of my palette before and after working on the painting, and as usual, it ended up looking like complete chaos. I also painted this large black bear standing in a field. It's similar in style and scale to another large bear painting that I recently finished, and I really enjoyed revisiting the subject. Another painting I wrapped up this week was this moose. Both the bear and the moose include mixed media elements, including Inktense water-soluble color. Before varnishing, I need to make sure those marks are properly sealed, so I start with a spray fixative, but I found that that alone isn't always enough, so just to be safe, I carefully apply a layer of varnish directly over those areas. I have to pay close attention to my brush direction and cleaning the brush frequently. Once everything's sealed, I can varnish the entire painting without worry about the color smearing or lifting. In between painting all week, I took care of other things in the shop, such as checking out customers and packaging prints and orders. Max and Wookie spent most of the week doing what they do best, lounging around and supervising from a distance. And finally, as I was editing this video, I did end up finishing this painting of 2 bears. I also love all the detail in this one as well. All of these will be available on Etsy and in my store once they're fully varnished this week. I've also started several new paintings, but they're all far from finished right now, and I'm excited to see where they go this week, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today for a quick studio drop-in. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. It really helps support both me and this channel, and I truly appreciate every one of you for watching. See you in the next one.